Hello, this is Lieutenant Danny Yopp with the Christiansburg Fire Department. I would like to leave you with some fire safety tips to keep you and your family safe. Use multiple smoke alarms throughout all levels of the home. Test alarms regular to ensure proper function. Never disable or turn off, particularly while cooking. Fire alarms should be changed every 10 years unless otherwise noted by the manufacturer. This has been a public safety announcement of the Christiansburg Fire Department and Montgomery County Emergency Management.